So today we're gonna see what's inside. We actually see already. You open it. You open it. No.
Candy. Ayo.
I don't know what this
Minion
is.
Pocky.
I think so.
How much?
$1
Oh,
plus
got bubble.
only. Yeah, I got sticker.
Buy from Children's Day.
Oh.
Why? What's that?
That one Elsa.
Actually, I thought Elsa Okay, got Coca-Cola flavor.
Siesta lah.
She is not a Barbie doll.
This one is sticker dari mana?
Is it the banana one?
Ew.
It's not that.
I think you better take a small one.
It's okay lah.
Cannot take out.
Ayo.
Ew, it's not even nice.
What? Minion?
It's Minions.
Celeste. Her name is Celeste.
Not bad. What was it? Is it bubble tea?
Bubble.
Marshmallow.
Matcha.
Then this one is matcha, the green one.
Yeah,
One piece
Don't tell me.
matcha.
Okay, I'm gonna be Giselle.
Don't need to say
Take
that.
this off.
Oh, she have a name.
I tell you already, her name is Celeste. Where's the girl?
Oh, it's me.
No, it's Iman's girlfriend.
Look a bit like Iman eh.
The hair.
No, Ira.
Thought I remember have like.
Is this halal? Oh yeah.
I think it's just chocolate. Because it's
No,
chocolate.
I think it's expired already. I'm so happy for it.
Because she got bubble.
Yeah.
No.
Astaghfirullahalazim. Dah ya, you die.
I have you Google. Don't want to like, don't know better, right?
Eh, nah. That's all.
Then she's not got the mold.
The one different one lah,
It's from
bodoh.
the same thing.
Have it.
I actually don't want.
Why? Okay, look.
Disgusting. This is also disgusting.
There lah, guys. Too noisy. This is nice.
My name is Peppa Pig. What's your name? Her name is Celeste.
Body. Then she should be called Izan.
She was so very. She the bad girl.
I'm a fashion girl.
Masih girl eh.
Yeah, I got girl also.
Why your one like blue hair or wait, your one say banana, why my one never say anything?
Sure.
Podcast start 30 minutes later, you know.
Yeah. Every time.
Still got
Bye guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share. Oh my god, this is amazing. You see, I make it happy.